Hey guys, it's Shockwave from King County Airsoft Group, and I'm here to tell you about what our channel is going to be all about. So, we're going to make lots and lots of reviews, lots and lots of interviews with team members. You're going to see most of their loadouts, and you're going to get to learn about their play style, etc., etc. And we're going to have lots of fun. I am going to make a mount for my cheap ass camera and use that on the field. Right now I'm just using my webcam because I'm lame, but we're gonna have so many videos, and I don't have someone to video right now, so, or else I'd be using this because it gets much better quality than my webcam. I hope you guys liked our intro. I want you guys to comment, rate, subscribe, please.